Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make salsa in an air fryer. Preheat your air fryer to 400 degrees F and arrange halve tomatoes and peppers in a single layer. Roast until skins char and juices bubble, usually 8 to 12 minutes depending on size. Let vegetables cool briefly, then pulse with onion, cilantro, lime juice, and salt until chunky or smooth as you prefer. Taste and adjust seasoning before serving with chips or tacos. Start with quality produce to make each step easier and tastier. Dry tomatoes a bit on a paper towel to avoid watery salsa, and trim pepper seeds if you want milder heat. Lightly brush vegetables with oil to encourage even charring in the air fryer. Add lime juice after blending to keep brightness, and finish with salt to bring flavors forward. Store leftovers chilled and enjoy within a few days. Hey, if you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and hit like to support the channel. Quick recommendation. I recently read The Simple Path to Wealth, a book that can change how you think about money and simplify your goals, and I thought you might like it too. I'll put a link in the description with any deals, so check there if you want to grab a copy, and now let's get back to the video. Roasting is where flavor develops, so don't rush the char on skins and edges. Keep items spaced in the basket so air circulates and they roast evenly. Use a blender or food processor and pulse until you reach the texture you like, whether chunky or smooth. If your salsa seems thin, simmer briefly in a saucepan to reduce and concentrate flavors. Cool and taste, then adjust lime and salt before serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.